teachers. What if your next math lesson sparked excitement, boosted participation, and made math an epic team sport? It's time to take math motivation to the next level with the Prodigy State Challenge, the world's biggest math competition. Face off in one of 3 tiers, Heroic, Mythical, or Titan, based on your school's grade 1 to 8 enrollment. Each month, your school can climb the state leaderboard when students answer math questions correctly through quizzes and assignments in class or by playing at home. There's over $1 million in prizes available to be won. In every state, the first place school in each tier wins a celebration kit filled with Prodigy swag. The top 5 schools also win motivational in-game rewards and a shot at the grand prizes over $200,000 in tech grants up for grabs at the Prodigy National Cup in May. Every month is a new chance to win prizes and qualify for the finals. So rally your fellow teachers to join forces and compete as a team. Together, you'll boost school pride, help students build math skills that last a lifetime, and claim your spot in math history. Get started today.